Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hey, it's Clarissa William right here. So we know that S is the router. The router can send packets to the end system. A is the router supports the new address space, and R is the latest software releases installed. So it can be written as if S, then A, if A, then R, if R, then S, and not A. And since A is false, then we know the first conditional statement, it indicates that S must be false as well. And if it can be deduced from the third conditional statement that R is also false. So if all three propositions are false, then all four of these must be true. So it is consistent.